Hi, and welcome back to Mindset Mastery. I'm Corey Hir, and I'm so glad you're with us today. Today, we're going to do another hypnosis exercise called Progressive Muscle Relaxation. And Progressive Muscle Relaxation is a great way to start a hypnosis practice if you're new to hypnosis. And it's also great for those who have been practicing hypnosis for a long time. So I hope you enjoy this progressive muscle relaxation, and please let me know how you felt about this exercise in the comments. I can't wait to hear how it goes. So go ahead and allow yourself to get into a comfortable position, seated in a chair or laying down, taking notice of your breath. For right now, there's no need to change your breath. Just take notice of the point of contact between your body and the chair or the couch, noticing your feet connecting to the floor, that point of contact where your feet make that connection with the floor. Noticing the sensation of your hand resting on your legs, on the floor, or on the bed. Just allowing yourself to go inward for a few moments, allowing yourself to relax, regroup, allowing yourself to just take a break. And now I'd like you to take a very deep breath. With the inhale, I'd like you to pretend that your belly is like a balloon. And as you breathe in, imagine the oxygen going from your mouth down into your belly so that your belly expands. And when you get to the top of that breath, just hold it for a moment. And then go ahead and exhale. Noticing the exhale moving down through your belly so that your belly returns to its normal state. Breathing in, once again, filling that belly up with air. Breathing out, allowing the exhale to be complete so that your belly returns back to normal. These are called belly breaths. And just continue with that belly breathing, noticing that with each breath, your body begins to feel more and more relaxed. Just focusing on that deep breathing. Noticing that as you continue to take these deep breaths, that your mind and your body start to feel more at ease as you begin to let go. Breathing in, breathing out. And now I'd like you to take notice of your forehead and go ahead and take an inhale and focus your breath in the area of your forehead. Inhaling, imagining the oxygen molecules spreading through the cells of your forehead, allowing the tension to break, creating space between the cells. And just notice the tightness in your forehead slipping away. Noticing your forehead smoothing out and softening. That's right. Taking another deep breath and focusing on the jaw. Directing that inhale toward the area of your jaw, becoming aware of the softening and the release of the tension in the jaw as you exhale completely. Inhaling, imagining those oxygen molecules creating space between the muscle cells, softening the joint, releasing any clenching or tension you might be holding in your jaw. Go ahead and take your next inhale, breathing into the neck, allowing those molecules to create space, releasing any tension as you start to feel greater calm, increasing lightness, and the sense that you're moving toward an inner peace and serenity. Breathing into the shoulders, and with your exhale, noticing the release of tension, perhaps feeling a warm sensation as the muscles soften, going limp. Inhaling as you focus the breath into your arms, releasing, relaxing, and letting go. Noticing how easy and simple it is to achieve this inner stillness as you drift into trance and a more comfortable state, knowing that there's nowhere you need to be, there's nothing you need to do, and there's no one you need to please. Breathing into your hands, noticing the release of the tension in all those small muscles in your hands and fingers. Letting go, letting go, letting go. And take a deep inhale and breathe into your chest. And with your exhale, notice your chest muscles loosen as they go limp, letting go. Take a deep breath and focus on your belly. And with your exhale, allow the muscles in your belly to soften. Breathing into your groin and your lower back. Using that deep inhale to create space and release the tension that you might be carrying in those areas, allowing the muscles to soften. Noticing that there's no effort required of you. And noticing how you are feeling so safe, relaxed, and calm. Now breathing into your quad muscles, allowing them to become tensionless, soft, and loose. That's right. And breathing into your calves as you continue to let go. Moving deeper into trance as you move down your body, allowing all of the muscles in your body to soften. Breathing into your feet as you notice the heaviness in your body as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. relaxation. Breathing into your toes. Again, allowing those tiny little muscles in your toes to soften. And breathing into your heart. Noticing the purity, the sensation of openness and expansion. That's right. And now that you are in this very relaxed, hypnotic trance, memorize the sensation that you're experiencing right now of feeling so relaxed, knowing that you can return to this place anytime, anywhere. Your mind and body have access to this very relaxed place. And as you continue to explore and practice moving into this very comfortable and deeply relaxing place, you will notice things that you want to happen, happening without any effort. More and more as time goes on, and with practice, you'll notice that things begin to change. And you'll have a greater knowing, a greater peace, and a stronger sense of yourself and the world around you. Just allow yourself to memorize this sensation. Enjoying this very pleasant experience. And now, we begin to return to the room. 3, noticing the sounds in the room around you. 2, noticing the sensation of the air in your room on your skin. And 1, returning to the room feeling completely relaxed, completely aware, and ready to meet the demands of the day. And when you are ready, you can go ahead and blink your eyes open, feeling fully alert and fully aware. I hope you enjoyed this hypnosis exercise. It is such a great, quick exercise to go from anxiety to peace. And it's so simple. With just a little bit of practice, you'll find that you can use this exercise anytime, anywhere. Thanks so much for being here with us today. And I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Please let me know how it went by leaving comments below. Hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you back here again soon.